Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another protective hairstyle. It's called the halo hairstyle, also known as the crown braids. This is a protective hairstyle, very easy to do and really looks nice. Suits a lot of different occasions. So let's get into the video. So what I'm doing is I'm combing my hair, just getting all the knots out and making sure it's tangle free. And after which I will be sectioning it into 3 parts. The reason for this is because my hair is quite short, as you can see at the back. So that's just gonna make it easy to get hold of when I want to put like the rubber band to hold the hair into one piece at the back. So that's the first section. I will be applying my hair gel as well as my edge booster. So yeah, this is just to keep the hair sleek and nice and flat down, and so it looks really good and smooth and well laid as well. So yeah, I'm just applying gel to the back section. I put gel around the hair and then I put the edge booster around the edges of the hair. So I used the pink shea butter edge booster in this video. That's what I've used. So as you can see, it looks really smooth and nice at the back. That's the whole idea, sectioning it. So if I put it into 3 sections, it's easy to apply as well as comb and give it a little bit of length. I don't know if that makes sense. So on to the next section. I'm going to do the same thing I did at the back. So section it, put some gel, comb it onto the back, in addition to the first section. So just overlaying it, that keeps it really smooth and it keeps your hair well laid, especially if your hair is not relaxed. So yeah, same thing onto the front section. So I just comb it again, and then apply my gel as well as my edge booster around the edges. So the gels, it really does the magic. Like, it helps you keep your hair well laid and sleek. Because my hair is short and I have a really light textured hair, so it's always easy to get it staying flat down. Not for long though, but at least for that moment when you really want it down, it does stay where you want it. So yeah, okay, I've managed to okay, so I'm putting a band around the hair just to hold it flat down, and then I applied some more edge booster to the edges. As I always mention, I haven't got that many hair in front, so the edge booster actually gives your hair a little bit of volume, or I don't know if that's the right word, or profound look. Okay, so whilst the gel is drying out, I decided to prepare my braids, which is the crown braid. If you remember the hair that I used in my last video for the Bantu knots, I'm using the same expression, and this time I'm braiding it into 1 strand, because that's what I need for the halo hairstyle. Okay, so I kind of think this hairstyle is really nice for like formal occasions. I also think it's very convenient. Like if you can't make it to the salon or anything, you can actually do this by yourself. Okay, so that's the braided hair. Um, it looks really nice. You can braid whatever size you want. So for me, that's the size that I wanted to. That's the size that I really wanted. So yeah, you can make it smaller if you want, or bigger, or you can make it into like different braids. I might do that in future videos. I might do a halo inspired hairstyle, but with maybe two strands of braid instead of one, as you can see in this video. So yeah, before I braided the hair, I put a band between the hair and hook hanged it around my door, so it's easy for me to actually braid it into that single strand. So I'm attaching the same band onto my real hair. So I'm gonna tighten that so that it's firm, and then I'm gonna take the strand of braids around my head and bring it back. Um, yeah, just as I'm doing in the video. That looks already nice, even though it's not secured yet. So this look is very lovely and very easy to do as well. So yeah, that's the back bit. As you can see, the back part of it is a bit tiny, so I'm just gonna put that around the hair like I'm going to tie it. But what I'll do is I'll take it around a couple of times until the hair is shortened. I mean, the extension itself is shortened, and that's gonna keep it even more secure because it'll just go round, 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 and then I'll secure it with some bobby pins as well. So, guys, tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. If you have any suggestions or you have any hairstyle you would want to see on my channel, do leave a comment down in the comment section, and yeah, I will make a video on that. Okay, so now I'm just making sure the hair is secure and also positioning my camera. And then I'm taking the remaining strands from the braids. I'm gonna take it and twist it around my hair until it's shortened. After which I just kind of kept adjusting it until it felt secured enough. Okay, so that's the bobby pin that I'm gonna use to hold the braid down. So the bobby pin actually secures it really nicely. I did use 4 bobby pins in this video. So I used one at the back, I used one in front, and I used one on the left side and another one on the right side. And after which it really did feel very secure. So if you're like me, always skeptical about hairstyles whereby you're not sure if it's gonna fall off or anything like that, bobby pins does the magic. It actually does secure your hair really nicely. So I'm trimming the hair around, the little bits and pieces that comes out of braids. So I'm just trimming that and keeping it neat. Oh yeah, so that's the end. What do you think of the look? Oh yeah, and I also applied the little bit of makeup, and this is just to complete the look. So what do you guys think of this look? Yeah, you can try it as well. Yeah, so don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and until next time. I'm so obsessed with the look. I just kept checking myself out. I mean, allow it. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.